12.
Question number 12. What is that?
Screw gauge of least count.
Screw gauge of least count
0.01 millimeter
0.01 millimeter. Okay.
is used to measure the diameter of a wire.
What is
Used to measure the diameter of the wire.
Measure diameter
Of a wire.
diameter of a wire.
The reading of sleeve is found to be 1 millimeter.
Reading of
Sleeve.
main scale is equal to
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter,
And reading on thimble is found to be 27 divisions.
and
Reading on thimble is found to be 27 divisions.
reading
On thimble is
on
found to be
thimble मतलब on circular scale, reading of circular scale is equal to least count into coinciding column. कौन सा column मतलब which number of column?
27 divisions.
27. So it is
What
how
is-
much? Least count is 0.01 into 27. This is in millimeters. So it is 0.27 millimeter. This is the circular scale reading, right? Reading of circular scale and main scale. So measured reading is how much? Zero error is also given.
No, if the zero error is plus 0.0005 centimeter, what is its correct diameter?
Okay. So observed reading is observed reading is equal to
0.
observed reading is equal to main scale
Achha,
reading plus circular scale reading. So it is 1 millimeter plus 0.27 millimeter, right? So that is 1.27 millimeter, right? Now we have correct reading. So correct reading is reading is observed reading minus zero error, right? So what was the zero error given?
0.
What was the
If
zero
the
error?
zero error is plus 0.005 centimeter,
Okay, zero is zero. So observed reading is 1.27 millimeter minus plus how much?
0.005
0.005 millimeter.
centimeter.
Huh?
Yes, it is in centimeter plus 0.005 centimeter.
So when it is in millimeters, so you also bring this in millimeters. So this is 0.005 centimeter or 0.05 millimeter, right? So we can write 1.27 millimeter minus 0.05 millimeter. So it is 1.22 millimeters. What is your answer?
The first is 0.127 centimeter and the second is 0.122 centimeter.
It is observed reading.
Yes, sir.
Observed reading is this much.
Sir,
And correct
it is not in
reading
millimeter.
Huh?
It is in centimeter. 0.122 centimeter.
हाँ ठीक है. It's millimeter. It's okay. If you want, if we want in centimeters, then it becomes 0.122 centimeters. Right? Do this.